My e-learning module is being planned to meet a specific learning need of our elementary students. Some of our students need more instruction and practice with rounding numbers to the nearest 10 and 100. I am planning on an e-learning module on this topic that incorporates some gamification strategies to increase and sustain their attention and motivation. The focus of this presentation is to discuss what impacted my design decisions to meet this goal. Here are some screenshots from my storyboarding. As you can see, I'm trying to keep the design very simple. I'm trying to make it so that the students can focus on the topics that they need to focus on without being distracted by extra visuals. Here's an example of one of the slides that they will see when they are answering questions on how to round numbers. When I think about gamification for my design process, I was thinking about how elementary students are highly motivated by game features. We use a program in our elementary school called MobyMax. It's an online computer-based mathematics program. It supplements our regular math program. They're very motivated in this program by earning badges, which they earn after completing 50 problems correctly. They are also very motivated by the stars at the bottom of the screen as they work through a math skill. Stars are lit as they correctly answer questions. I decided that I would incorporate the stars feature for earning levels in my module. Our district has adopted a one-to-one iPad program, which has a 3-year deployment timeline. In the meantime, students have access to iPads within the classroom and Chromebooks on a cart that are shared between teachers. I needed to take this into account as I selected software for module development. I selected Captivate 9 because it allows me to package the module in a format that will work on Chromebooks as well as HTML5, which will work on the iPads. Captivate will also allow me to build the module with game features that I decided to use. Captivate 9 has a responsive e-learning design component that allows you to create the module once, and the information on the screen will rearrange itself based on the device that the student is using. So I can create this module one time, and then we can use it both on an iOS device like the iPad, or we can also use it on our Chromebooks. We also are starting to use Canvas, a learning management system, and I can save it as a SCORM compliant module to be embedded within Canvas, which will then keep track of the learning of each individual student. The challenge that I came across when developing this model is my lack of experience with rapid authoring tools. In particular, Captivate 9. I downloaded a free 30-day trial of the software and started to watch the tutorials, and soon realized that it has quite a steep learning curve. While I believe I can learn the software features through these tutorials, I think I'm going to learn the most by actually creating the modules. So I'm curious as to how other instructional designers learn the software that they're using for rapid authoring. So if you can comment in the comment section of this discussion post, I greatly appreciate that.